If you're in the market looking for a new smartwatch, you probably have already heard about Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 and Watch 4 Classic. And if you're on the fence about making this purchase decision, this video is for you. In this video, I'm going to tell you about the 5 most important things to know about Galaxy Watch 4 and Watch 4 Classic before making a purchase decision. I recommend watching this video till the end, as any one of these features can be important and a deal breaker for you. So let's get started. The good news is that Galaxy Watch 4 is running on Wear OS now, so we get all the perks of using a Wear OS watch. You can download official Google apps such as YouTube Music, Maps and Keep, but also several other high quality apps from major developers like Spotify, Strava and Calm, among many others. But if you're also looking forward to using Google Assistant on these Galaxy watches, you are in for a disappointment, because as of now, Samsung has only added Bixby as the voice assistant on these watches. Although Samsung has stated that Google Assistant will eventually land on Galaxy Watch 4, but there is no specific timeline here. Moving on, Samsung has packed these Galaxy watches with fitness features and sensors. However, not all of them are available globally. Especially the ECG and blood pressure monitoring only works in select countries. So if you're looking forward to using these features, it would be worthwhile to check their availability in your country. On the flip side, Samsung's new BIA sensor, which can be used to measure body fat levels, is available globally. Also, there are several features on Galaxy Watch 4 that will only work if you're using it with, surprise surprise, a Samsung phone. Once again, if you're in a country where you have access to ECG and blood pressure monitoring, if you don't have a Samsung phone, you will be out of luck, because these features require a Samsung health monitoring app, and that app lives in the Galaxy App Store, and you can only download the Galaxy App Store on a Samsung phone. And if you want to use other Galaxy Watch features like Samsung Pay, Bixby and Samsung Health, you will have to download Samsung app on your non-Samsung phone like Samsung Health, Galaxy Wearable and create a Samsung account. So if you're a non-Samsung smartphone user, get ready to install and go through a variety of apps and settings. Moving on, if you are already a Galaxy Watch user who has used any of the previous Galaxy watches and bought into the ecosystem via paid apps and watch faces, get ready to leave all that behind when you get Galaxy Watch 4. With Galaxy Watch 4, Samsung has ditched the Tizen OS and opted for Wear OS. So naturally, the new Galaxy watches use Play Store to download any app or watch face, and there is no way to restore the previous purchases that you made on Tizen supported Galaxy watches. So now you will have to reinvest your money into buying brand new watch faces and apps. But the silver lining here is that out of the box, you still get a decent collection of default watch faces from Samsung, and these watch faces are pretty good. And surprisingly, all the previous watch faces that you could download on Galaxy Watch 3 are still there on Galaxy Wearable app along with the new ones. So Samsung's official watch face library is ever growing to be utilized by the Galaxy Watch users. And finally, the last thing you must know is that with the switch to Wear OS, Samsung has removed the support for iOS devices. This means where Galaxy Watch users were able to connect and use Galaxy Watches with iPhones, however bare bones the functionality would be, now there is no such option. Granted, iPhone users would simply buy an Apple Watch, but there are still a lot of people out there who carry Android phones along with their iPhones and would have appreciated the fact that their smartwatch could connect to both of their daily drivers if they needed to, so they don't have to switch between two watches. Now that option is gone. So Galaxy Watch 4 users will be limited to Android world only. So guys, these were the 5 most important things to know before you go ahead and purchase your new Galaxy Watch 4. And that's about it from this video. I hope it will help you out in your purchase decision, and if it has, let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like this video and hit that subscribe button for more videos like this. I will see you in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye bye.